Good morning and happy new year, everybody. What is up? It is windy outside. It is cold. That's a cold way to start the new year. Got a small video for today, but let's just jump right into it. Before we start getting into too much stuff, I know it's a little windy here, but let's go ahead and get ourselves a cold start on the Ram Charger. Whoo! We got ourselves some close to freezing temperatures, if not below freezing. I've been seeing snow. Everything here is crunchy. Let me set you guys up and get this cold start. Going. Again, it's cold. There's literally ice frozen in the exhaust pipe there. The door was frozen closed. Whew, what a way to start the new year, man. Let me jump in here. We'll let her warm up. But quick hint for what's coming this new year. This interior isn't going to be staying here much longer. We got ourselves some seats, as you guys saw in the last video. Let's go ahead, pop that open. There we go. Nice and soft. Don't want to break nothing. Some seats still need to be cleaned up. Oh man, it is freezing out. I should have put gloves on. Can you tell it's cold yet? He's finally melted the ice in the exhaust. Man, it is freezing cold outside. So I got out of the wind. Oh man, it is freezing out here this New Year's Day. This should be coming out either New Year's Day or the 2nd, January 2nd. I'm looking forward to this year. Totally looking forward to it. Got things planned for this vehicle here, the Thrash Can, the Kia Spectra. Got stuff planned for the Ram Charger. I think it's going to be a great year. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming in. Interior stuff for the Ram Charger. A couple other used parts for the Kia to do some modifications. So that's what I'm looking forward to. I hope you guys are looking forward to it as well. With the new year, I would like to do a quick shout out for a couple channels. Just so you guys can take a look and see what you guys find. If you like the people that I mentioned, go ahead and sub to them. I'm sure they would really appreciate it. Links will be down in the description below for the channels that I am shouting out. Alright, so the first channel I'd like to shout out is Something Totally Random. That's their channel name, Something Totally Random. They went to the Cletus McFarlane Danger Ranger 9000. They did really good. They placed top 2, and then they raced in the oh, come on, what is it? 24-hour or 2.4 hours of Les Mullets. So they did that as well. And they're really cool people. They seem like really awesome people. They put a big block in a Ford Ranger, and they went and ripped it tater chip at the Freedom Factory for Cletus and Cars. Second channel I'd like to shout out is Wrenchin' with Grandpa. Yep, Wrenchin' with Grandpa. That's Brandon Wyckoff. He was down here with us in Oklahoma a while back. You might have seen him on Santa's channel helping with one of the Chevy trucks. I think it was the 53. I don't remember, but he started his own channel. He's got a, oh, I can't remember the year. That's a Barracuda though. So it's an older Barracuda. He's gonna be working on that. So his link will be down in the description as well. The next channel I'd like to shout out would be Ithwitt. He's been a very huge supporter, small YouTuber. He's trying his best that he can. Young kid. I think he is trying his best that he can do. They work on four-wheelers and stuff like that. They have a couple trucks that they work on. They've done some racing lawnmower stuff, if I am to be correct. Could be wrong. Don't quote me on it. But his link will be down in the description as well. Sorry everyone, I need to pause the video real quick. I totally forgot to mention RumBuilder, Matt from RumBuilder here on YouTube. Really cool dude. I would totally recommend going and checking him out as well. I don't know why it slipped my mind earlier today, but I'm editing it right now and I need to add him in there. He's got that 5.0 Mustang that he's turned into a rally car, kind of the inspiration for the thrash can. So go ahead and go check out RumBuilder. I think he would really appreciate it. Another YouTuber I'd like to shout out would be Decent Garage. He seems like a really cool guy. I have not met him. I've watched his videos. He inspired me to put a different interior in the Ram Charger because that's what he did with his first-gen Dodge truck. First-gen Cummins Dodge truck. He does only Cummins stuff, if I'm to be correct. But really good content there. I like his channel. The next channel I'd like to shout out would be Nobody Else's Auto. He also goes by Nobody's Show, I think it is. He is here on YouTube. Again, his link will be down in the description below. He is from Kansas. He has a whole large selection of older vehicles. I think he runs, I would say it's a salvage yard, but at the same time, I can't really call it that. Go ahead and check him out. He has a lot of really cool videos. He does like weekend streams and stuff like that. So I would go check him out. I think some of the stuff he has there is really cool. I found him while looking for Ram Chargers. He had a video of a Ram Charger and I was super jealous, but I think he may still have it. I don't know, but go check him out. Again, the link is in the description below. Now, if I can get out of this dang car. There we go. Yeah, did you guys see that? That was a little slice of snow that just flew down on the ground. It is freezing cold. Ram Charger still running strong. And let's go see if she's warming up. Sounds like she's got a little bit of the cam in her. It must be because it's so flippin' cold outside. Well, while I'm here and freezing my tail off, I might as well go ahead and thank the people that helped me get to where I am right now. I would like to first off thank Auto Auction Rebuilds. Very nice of him to help me get to where I am with this channel, shouting me out and stuff like that. We do work together really well, so there's that. I'd also like to thank TK from TK's Garage. He's done a couple shout outs as well. It's cool to hang out with him every now and then. I mean, when he's in town, so that's cool. So thank you, TK. And I'd also like to thank Santa's Workshop, Michael over at Santa's Workshop. Man, my tongue does not like to work today with how cold it is. It's freezing. I know I've said it like 10 times, but we had like 60-degree weather yesterday, and now we're below 30. Great. With all of that said, again, thank you all for watching. Please go check out those other channels. Let's make their year amazing. That would be awesome. If you like what you see, go ahead and watch them, guys. Give them a subscription. That'd be really awesome. I'd also like to say, for the last time, thank you to Auto Auction Rebuilds, TK's Garage, and Santa's Workshop. Again, you guys have helped make this YouTube stuff possible. I appreciate it. Guys, if you haven't checked out any of those channels either, go ahead and check them out. If you like the content, go ahead, keep watching and subscribe. If you guys are looking forward to what's coming on the Ram Charger or what's going on with that car out there, coming soon, I promise. Just takes a little bit of time working full time in YouTube. Doesn't really work. So it is what it is. So I'm going to warm up the Ram Charger a little bit more. I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all throughout this next year. All right.